Hey everybody, I'm Ryan Schramm. Behind me is one of my newest listings. We're in Lake Forest, which is a city in South Orange County. When you look at the landscape of Orange County as a whole, there's hardly any single family homes under $1 million. So what makes this property super special is it's priced at $899 and it has really nice finishings, and the neighborhood we're in, it's quiet, it's peaceful, and you get a lot of house for your money. I can't wait for you to see it. Come check it out. All right, so we just came through the front door. This home has a super traditional floor plan. All the bedrooms upstairs, most of the bathrooms upstairs, with the living and common areas downstairs. So in this family room, really nice wood burning fireplace. And also very cool is this home has 2.5 bathrooms. So you've got a powder bath, which is a sink and a toilet, to service the downstairs area. You don't have to go upstairs if you're hosting guests or hanging out downstairs. You've got a powder bath down here. And follow me into the kitchen. The kitchen is a nice open concept. You've got another little hangout spot here with a TV, dining, and peninsula bar seating setup for that breakfast bar. It really is a functional floor plan. This house is ringing in at just under 1,400 square feet, so it's that perfect size if you have a growing family, or if you're just looking to get maybe out of a condo and into a single family. This home has it all. All right, so taking a closer look at this kitchen, you have a really nice stainless steel Whirlpool appliance package, white cabinetry, and what's nice about the white cabinets is it's really a timeless color and it lets a lot of light in. And then they have a really nice black granite countertop material with a big stainless steel basin sink. So everything in this kitchen is on point, it's gonna last a long time, and it's timeless as far as the materials go. Welcome to the master bedroom. Really nicely appointed. One of my favorite things about this master is the vaulted ceilings. So you have some really tall volume ceilings here, which let some more natural light pour in. And as you follow me into the master bathroom, I'm seeing lots of closet space, his and hers, and then the dual vanity in here has recently been updated with new countertops, and again, that timeless white cabinetry and a really nice walk-in shower. All of the features in this master bedroom to make a very, very comfortable main room for you. All right, so rounding out this house, 2 additional guest bedrooms, one with a nice walk-in closet, and they are adjoined with a Jack and Jill bathroom, so that makes it really convenient. These are great spaces for kids' bedrooms, home office, or even if you have guests coming into town. It really accommodates everyone very nicely. Woo! The AC is cranking in there. Another nice feature about this house is it does have central AC, but the moment I step into this backyard, I can see the homeowners have done a nice job taking care of it back here. A nice green lawn, some pavered planter areas, and new vinyl fence along both perimeters, which is definitely one of those things that sometimes you don't think of. Replacing a fence isn't cheap, so it's nice to see that it's been done here. And you've got plenty of room for, kids to play outside. There's a killer barbecue area with outdoor seating. So really all the things you need for an outdoor lifestyle in Southern California. There you have it. Awesome Lake Forest house, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, under $900,000. You guys have to see this neighborhood. My video doesn't do it justice. Shoot me a text if you want to see this property. It's not going to last long. I will bring you here and show it to you so that you can move into your new house. I look forward to seeing you. Take care.